Welcome all traders to their daily look ahead. This is where we take a look at gold, the dollar, and the mini NASDAQ to find out what types of trades we can take the following day. But before we dive into the charts, make sure to like and subscribe so that more people can enjoy this content. Hello traders, this is the daily look ahead for April 15, 2025. We're going to start with gold here. So gold is getting ready to move higher. We're looking for a small pullback here. And then we're looking for probably around 32.77, 32.80, somewhere in that neighborhood for gold to push up to tomorrow. On Dixie, we see that has broken channel. So we're going to go down into the smaller time frames and we're going to take a look at the hour chart. Now we see here that we're wedging. And so more than likely, we're going to break to the downside. So what you would look for is a break to the downside. So dollar, look to head lower, somewhere in the neighborhood of about 98.70, somewhere down in there. So look for dollar to head to the downside to 98.70. Bitcoin is getting ready to break out here. So we're looking for a move in Bitcoin to about 92.3, so 92,300. Looking for a Bitcoin move up to that level. Now we're going to first hit this resistant level saying about 88.478. Look for a pullback there. And then once that pullback's completed, look for a higher high up to that 92.3 spot. NASDAQ, you might be looking for an additional pullback somewhere down into the neighborhood of 18,724, and then a continuation, probably resistance right here at 19,148, a break of that, retest, and then up to the final level about 19,612 for today. Looking for the Dow to squeeze here and break out and move to a level about 41,836. 41,836 where we're looking for the Dow to go to today. To wrap things up, we're going to look at oil. Oil has hit a new low here, and this is a weekly chart. So hit a new low last week, and he's recovering from that new low. So oil got down to about $55 a gallon. This is WTI. And we're looking at a recovery here. So we go down into the 4-hour chart, and we're looking for oil to go higher. So we're looking for oil to come up here to about, let's see here, we're going about in the neighborhood of $65 a barrel, 65.25 a barrel. So look for oil to squeeze and to head higher. So right about there. That's what we're looking for. We have this squeeze going on, as we can see right here. Nice little squeeze. We see this on quite a few charts. So we're looking for that pennant to break higher, okay, and go to this resistance zone of about 65, okay? So if you'd like to come in the room and trade with us and participate in trade setups and so forth, just click the link down below and come into your free trial, see what it's about, and look forward to seeing you there. Take care. Hope this helps.